CampusCode.Online. Why CampusCode.Online exists. Before discussing technology, features, or platforms, it is important to understand why CampusCode.Online was created. CampusCode.Online was not born from a trend. It was not created because artificial intelligence became popular. It was not created because building software has become easier. The idea behind CampusCode.Online comes from years of first-hand experience in software development, education, mentoring, and observing the challenges faced by students, faculty, and institutions. For more than 2 decades, we have worked with technology in different capacities, as a developer, mentor, engineer, architect, consultant, and technology leader. Throughout those years, one pattern remained constant. Many students struggle before they even begin learning, not because they lack talent, not because they lack curiosity, but because they encounter barriers that have little to do with programming itself. Installation problems, software compatibility issues, device limitations, missing development tools, complex configuration requirements, laboratory availability, and countless technical obstacles that consume valuable learning time. Over the years, I repeatedly asked myself a simple question. What if students could focus on learning software development instead of spending so much time preparing the environment required to learn it? That question eventually became CampusCode.Online. The platform was built from real-world experience, real educational observations, and a genuine desire to make software development education more accessible, more practical, and more aligned with the realities of today's learners. While artificial intelligence can help accelerate development, no AI can replace the years of experience, lessons learned, successes, failures, and understanding that shaped the vision behind CampusCode.Online. Technology may help build software. Experience is what defines why the software should exist. CampusCode.Online exists because the problem is real and because every student deserves the opportunity to learn, build, and innovate without unnecessary barriers standing in the way. CampusCode.Online. One platform, one workspace, one academic ecosystem,